like super scary stuff.
Okay.
Not scary.
Which one is scary?
The Grinch that stole Christmas and the Jack one. Because the Jack one's for Halloween.
Are you saying that just so that I'll read the book you're holding?
So they're maybe both scary, maybe.
They're not scary.
They have different eyes, so they look scary.
Okay. Well, I can understand that.
This one has the same eyes, and they're dressed up in a scary suit. And the Grinch has different eyes, so the eyes look scary to me.
Okay.
Now you look like a mermaid to me.
Because it looks like I have a big tail, a fish tail.
Yeah.
Okay. Construction site mission. Demolition. Construction site mission. Demolition. Where are buildings old and crumbling, 5 trucks all roll up rumbling. The sign says, danger, stop, keep out. But bulldozer gives a thunderous shout. Danger, stop, keep out. Honk. Yes.
If it says stop, stop, there's a pothole, then the bulldozer won't listen. He'll say honk, then he'll fall into the pothole.
Possibly. Gates open wide, the trucks roll in. They're revved and ready to begin. Mighty Flatbed joins the crew. She brings skid steer and loader too. That rickety building's got to go. They'll wreck it, rip it, blow by blow. They can't wait to get underway. This is Demolition Day. Crane truck standing firm and tall swings a giant wrecking ball. His aim is steady, sure, straight. He hits his target with the weight. Yes?
That's like steel from a train.
Oh. Kaboom!
Daddy, is a train stronger than a real train?
Maybe.
That knock a train down.
It could knock a train over. Concrete sails everywhere. Clouds of dust shoot through the air. Crane sets up for another hit, and beams and pipes and chimneys split. He bashes through a concrete wall and leaves a hole 50 feet tall.
That's a lot tall.
It is a lot tall.
But 100 and more.
Now with his hook, crane truck will start, sorting rubble part by part. With nice neat piles, there's no doubt that nothing good will be thrown out. Metal, concrete, steel, and wood, they'll be recycled like they should. I see concrete and I see bricks.
Daddy?
Yes?
Real cranes have that. And real cranes have that. And real cranes do not have that.
Real cranes don't actually have eyes. You are correct. Now excavator takes the lead. His bucket rams a wall full speed. Smash! With each crash, his mighty thrust, concrete and glass explode to dust.
Daddy, how to break it? He just digs till he breaks.
He switches gears and turns around and sets his bucket on the ground. Now a grapple helps him grip, to tear and pull, to bite and rip. Rebar torn out without trouble, concrete and steel turned to
Rubble bubble.
rubble. Now everything gets sifted through to be reused for something new. Dump truck and flatbed working hard are hauling huge loads from the yard. Honk, honk, roar. Everybody does their share to clear the site, to make it bare. Yes?
That's diesel, and is that gas?
Now they're probably both diesel trucks.
Green is diesel, and small is gas.
Okay.
That's right.
He hauls away the cracked debris and separates it carefully, sorting metal, brick, and pipe, and then it's all saved to be reused again. Little skid steer runs and races through the site and in tight places. Her breaker bit can shatter rock. Her grapple pulls down cinder block. Her bucket helps her dig and haul. Her big blade can push through it all. Vroom. She revs up, rolls up, she bashes. She'll bust a wall, and thud, it crashes. The crew batters, shatters, shakes, destroys. The air is filled with smoke and noise. Crumble, crash, and just like that, the big old building is now flat. A dust cloud rises, falls, then clears. The building's down. The whole team cheers. Is it time for the motor grader?
Yes.
Now the crew works as a team to get the site all clear and clean. They haul materials away to be reused another day. Then big bulldozer rolls around. He levels land and clears the ground. Vroom. Concrete mixer pours new concrete. The site is clean, all fresh and neat. They've all worked hard to clear the space so something new can take its place. The day is finished, job well done. Demo day was tough but fun. The tired trucks have done their best, and now it's time to get some rest. Tomorrow, there's more work to do. They'll start building something new.
Daddy,
Yes.
This one.
That is a skid steer. I like this guy. I like the backhoe, or the bulldozer,
I like that.
or the boom crane.
I like the bulldozer just like that.
Now they'll dream of engines rumbling, wheels turning, rubble tumbling. They'll dream about tomorrow too, the dirt and noise, the jobs they'll do, of friends and work and all that's right.
Are they dreaming of the same thing?
Probably. Another good day. Now, good night.
That's where the old building was.
Yep, now it's done. Let me just put this book. Excuse me, sir. Sir, no, what? Excuse me. Just put this. What? No, I'm sorry. Oh, right. Oh, that's good. We can just put this book in this shelf right here. Are you kidding me? All right. Ready? Tell me this, what would you like for breakfast tomorrow? Would you like an omelet or would you like Cheerios?
Daddy, guess what? Mommy said we're out of pieces.
Okay. Would you like an omelet or would you like Cheerios?
Cheerios.
All right. Do it.
The honey cereal.
Honey nut Nut Cheerios.